a small kriti on Goddess Parvati, and this highlights her different names in different cities. The name we call her with the temple related to that city. And this song is a very small song, and it is also come in a very famous movie called Adi Parashakti. Hope you all enjoy this song. Adi Talam. மீனாட்சி ஸ்ரீதவரும் நான் ஆட கூடலிலே மீனாட்சி என்ற பெயர் உனக்கு மீனாட்சி ஸ்ரீதவரும் நான் ஆட கூடலிலே மீனாட்சி என்ற பெயர் உனக்கு கங்கை நீராட்சி செய்து வரும் வடகாசி தன்னில் விஷாலாட்சி என்ற பெயர் வழக்கு கங்கை நீராட்சி செய்து வரும் வடகாசி தன்னில் விஷாலாட்சி என்ற பெயர் வழக்கு கோனாட்சி பல்லவத்தம் குளிர் சோலை காட்சி தன்னில் காமாட்சி என்ற பெயர் உனக்கு கோனாட்சி பல்லவத்தம் குளிர் சோலை காட்சி தன்னில் காமாட்சி என்ற பெயர் உனக்கு கொடுங்கோலாட்சி தனை எதிர்க்கும் மாரியம்மன் என்ற பெயர் கொண்டபடி காட்சி தந்தார் எனக்கு கொடுங்கோலாட்சி தனை எதிர்க்கும் மாரியம்மன் என்ற பெயர் கொண்டபடி காட்சி தந்தார் எனக்கு ஆரென்றும் நதி என்றும் ஓடை என்றாலும் அது நீரோடும் பாதை தன்னை குறிக்கும் ஆரென்றும் நதி என்றும் ஓடை என்றாலும் அது நீரோடும் பாதை தன்னை குறிக்கும் நிற்கும் ஊர் மாறி பேர் மாறி கரு மாறி ஊரு மாறி ஒன்றே சக்தி என உரைக்கும் நிற்கும் ஊர் மாறி பேர் மாறி கரு மாறி ஊரு மாறி ஒன்றே சக்தி என உரைக்கும். In the movie, since the female character will be dressed up and she reprises the role of goddess Amba, so she will be singing that song as Nanachi Seidu Varum Enakku, like that. Since it is the first person she is addressing herself, but now we are singing for goddess Amba, so we are addressing her as third person. So Nanachi becomes Niyachi, and Enakku in Unakku places Enakku will come. So hope the clarity is given, because many of them in class they ask about this doubt. So movie version is a separate version, but the tune and everything, lyrics are same, only the tense changes here. Hope it was useful to you. So practice this song well. Thank you. Meenakshi Pancharatnam. Let's begin with the description of this shloka and then we'll go to the Panashruti part. This is a sacred 5-stanza hymn composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya, Bhagavatapada. So that's why we are calling his name at the end, in praise of goddess Meenakshi of Madurai district. Translating to 5 jewels of Meenakshi, Pancharatnam, Pancharatnam. That's why it's 5 jewels. It highlights her divine beauty, grace, and role as the consort of Lord Sundareshwarar, providing a meditative rhythmic prayer for devotees seeking her blessings. The key aspects of this stotram are: the purpose of chanting this hymn is believed to foster happiness, prosperity, and spiritual growth, offering protection and removing fears. The imagery, it paints a vivid picture of the goddess, radiant like 1,000 suns, wearing golden jewelry and silk, with reddish lips and a gentle smile. The symbolism about this shloka describes her as the ocean of compassion, the form of ultimate reality, Tattva Swarupa, and the mother of Lord Subramanya and Ganesha. Structure of the shloka consists of 5 verses or stanzas, each ending with a dedication to the goddess, usually described as Meenakshi Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunya Varamnidhim, meaning I bow forever to Meenakshi, the ocean of compassion. The musicality of this shloka or this composition is highly lyrical and rhythmic, often sung in traditional and devotional settings. This is a very small shloka, yet little tough because of the lines that are very big without any break, so it will be little breathless. This stotram is popular in South Indian traditions, particularly in Madurai district in Tamil Nadu, as a daily prayer for grace and empowerment. Now, shall we move on to the Palashruti part? Benefits of chanting this shloka. This shloka is believed to bestow immense blessings, including inner peace, protection from fear and obstacles, wisdom and prosperity. Regular recitation is said to remove worries, foster family harmony, and grant spiritual growth. The key benefits of reciting or listening to this Meenakshi Pancharatnam include removal of fears and worries, abhayam, பயங்களை எடுப்பது. The stotram is known to eliminate the fears and protect devotees as Meenakshi is hailed as the treasure house of mercy and a protector. Inner peace and wisdom. It helps calm a restless mind and grants knowledge to the seeker, fostering spiritual growth. Prosperity and success. It is believed to bring prosperity, abundance, and success in all endeavors, often described as yielding all desired fruits, sarva bhishta. Harmony and well being. Chanting promotes harmony in family life, brings good fortune, and ensures well being. Spiritual upliftment. As a composition by Adi Shankaracharya, it helps in increasing consciousness and leads to the liberation, moksha, from the cycle of birth and death. So, shall we now sing this jewel? 5 jewels. That's why it's called as Pancharatnam, which is going to bestow all the blessings and give you the necessary desired fruits. Sarva Bhishta. Sri Meenakshi Pancharatnam. The lines are little bit, so we are singing with the tune. Mudyadvanu Sahasrakoti Sadrisham Keyurharojvalam Dimboshtim Smitadanta Pankti Ruchiram Pitambaralankritam Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevitapadam Tattvaswarupam Shivam Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavaramnidhim Muktaharanasakiritaruchiram Purnendu Vaktraprabham Shinjannupurakinkini Manidaram Padmaprabha Basuram Sarvabhishta-Phalapradam Girisutam Vani-Rama Sevitam Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavaramnidhim Sri Vidyam Shivavamabhaganilayam Rinkaramanthrojvalam Sri Chakrangita Bindu Madhya Vasatim Srimat Sabhanayakim Srimat Shanmukha Vignaraja Jananim Srimat Jaganmohinim Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavaramnidhim Srimat Sundaranayakим Hayaram Jnanapradam Nirmalam Shyamavam Kamalasanarchitapadam Narayanasyanujam वीणा वेणुमृदङ्गवाद्यरसिकां नानाविधाडम्बिकां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम् नानायोगिमुनीन्द्रहृन्निवसतीं नानार्थसिद्धिप्रदां नानापुष्पविराजिताङ्ग्रयुगलां नारायणेनार्चितां नादब्रह्ममयीं परात् परतरां नानार्थतत्त्वात्मिकां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम् इति श्रीमत्परमहंसपरिव्राजकाचार्यस्य श्रीगोविन्दभगवत्पूज्य कृतौ मीनाक्षिपञ्चरत्नस्तोत्रमिदं सम्पूर्णम्।